What's up, guys? My name is Kakidat. I'm so excited today because I created a new group, a Telegram group, and the link will be on the description where you can post your job there and share your job with me. And also, I will post my job there and give you feedback on what you do. And so, this video is actually for those who really want to learn this Smudge painting because I believe learning doing Smudge painting is another skill for you. And this video is actually going to show you the full process. Like what I mean, I'm not gonna fast this video because I'm gonna be doing this video part to part. So as soon as you watch this part, you go to the next part. So guys, watch this video, and if all this sound nice to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, leave a comment below and what you think and how we can take this to a new step up, So guys, let's just go back in the screen while we do the Smudge painting. Remember, the picture I'm going to be using for this video will be on the description, guys. You can download it from there. And yes, let's go to the screen, guys. So guys, welcome back to the screen. As you can see this image already, I've already traced it. I've already used my pen tools and I save it right here. So all I just have to do is to click it, and yeah. So basically, if you are doing your own Smudge painting, if you are using this image, just trace it around it, guys. You have to trace the background off, and that's how it started. So all I have to do, just left click your mouse and turn this pen pen part and just make it a select mark and make it 0. So it's very easy. Then press your Ctrl J. Very easy. I mean, very easy. You can do this, man. I know you can do it. So what we'll do again, since we traced the image up already, let's just duplicate this image once more. Or wait, this is what we do. First of all, go to your image and go to your adjustment and come to shadow and highlights. If you're a beginner, you understand this. Shadow and highlights. Once you go to your shadow and highlights, let it be 35 is too much. Let's reduce it to 21 is okay for this image, and press OK. So press OK, guys, and this is what we started, and this is what we do. We have to trace it in different parts. I mean, the eye, the nose, the skin in different parts, so that in different layers, so that we can be able to use this in work with it, guys. Let's just trace it, and yeah, that's how we do it, guys. So if you don't know how to use pen, try to make use of the pen, because that is the only way you can start using pen and master the pen. And yeah, it takes a lot of time to master it. As soon as you understand how to use the pen, brother, I believe that will be a lot. I mean, a lot, guys. So first, I'm just gonna trace the head and the hair, the skin out of the shirt. Out of the shirt first of all, so we know what to do here, man. So we are done with the quick trace here. All we just have to do is just right click, left click it, and know what we do. Select, make selection, okay, and Ctrl J. Now we separated the image from the head. What we just have to do, this particular layer, we just have to Ctrl J and make this invisible. Just click that eye bulb you see there. Just click the eye bulb, and then what you have to do again, you just have to hold your control, then click inside this box. Then this selection will come out, and what you just have to do, you just need to delete. You see what happened now. Very easy. I mean, very easy. So we just separated the head from the shirt right now. So guys, bring back the head and just take away the shirt, because we don't need that for now. We just have to select the hair and the height to, just do it that way. That's how we do it. Let's go. It doesn't matter how you do the hair, as long as you do the hair. I'm gonna share some secret here, guys. Quick secret, man. Let's do this separately. Let's just add everything together here like this. There's something I'm gonna be doing here. Just wash. So you see, I just separated the hair from, I just had the eyebrow and other things. But if you are doing a separate image, different image from this, you can also separate the eyebrow, you know, in a different layer. But because where the hair is going on this image, I just try to add everything together for you not to make this video so long, you know, guys. For this video not so long. Okay. Ctrl J. Whenever you press Ctrl J, we duplicate your selection layers. So basically, you understand that now. So you know, whenever you press Ctrl J, it will separate the image. It will separate your selection image. What you just selected will be separated from the image directly. So this is what we do. Hold your control, click inside the box, then press delete. You know, this is the magic. I believe you get that already. So make it invisible. Come to this eyebrow on the skin. This is what we do again. We just select the eyebrow on its own. Make selection, okay, Ctrl J, then click inside the layer and then click the bottom layer, which is the main image on its own. Press delete. Here we go. This is it. Very easy, and there's no way you tell me that you don't know how to do all this. Guys, this is just interesting part, you know. So basically we are done with this, and this is what we do. We add everything together, then we group it. Press group and Ctrl J. Simply means we duplicate the layer, and let's make use of this. This way, get started. Just make this invisible, and what you do, vivid light. But meanwhile, before we do this vivid light, we have to Ctrl Z, duplicate, and make it a vivid light. You understand? We duplicate the image first and make it a vivid light, then come to filter, come to order, and come to high pass. So basically this high pass, you can actually make it lower or higher, but remember, depending on the image you are working on, you are working on, and that is the only way you can start doing this, man. So reduce it. Okay, 2.5 would be okay for this image. I don't want to make it look more sharp, you know, those stuff, and just measure it down, you know, just measure it down. So Ctrl J with this thing, and you know what we do, vivid light, high pass. Okay, this will be okay for now. 2.7 is okay for this image. Whenever you're working to another image, you can do the adjustment yourself. Just showing you guys how you can do this your own. You know, you can do your own smudgement after this video, guys. Vivid, come to high pass. Okay, merge down. Ctrl J, vivid. Yeah. Guys, merge down. So this is where it gets so interesting. I'm gonna merge everything together, and in this process of merging everything together, just watch. Just watch what I did here now. So basically, this is a new group, so I have to make it a group because it's a group already. So just Ctrl E, you have merged everything together. But that is the reason why we duplicate this first layer. So basically, we can be picking our colors from that layer very soon. So just watch what I did from here. So then Ctrl J, and just hold your alternate and just right click. Just power. That right click means just power clip it when you hold your alternate and you do your right click here, man. So this is what we do. This we have to go to oil paint. This is where we start using oil paint now, guys. We go to oil paint. Sorry guys, there's a mistake here. So Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. This is what we do. Yeah. So we have to make it oil paint first before we merge it together. So basically the reason why I'm making this mistake, I'm not gonna cut this part off. I just want you guys to watch this part, especially. I'm not gonna fake anything here. I'm just showing you guys everything, you know, guys. This is gonna be crazy, man. My mistake, you will see it. So guys, so oil paint here.